In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the features function of the area sheet. The best way to understand features is to think of them as that aspect of a use group which is either infrequent or unique to the design of this building. Therefore, they are something that needs to be treated differently from the areas that we might include in the area sheet above grade or below grade section. Those large aspects of the building which we like to include in our gross area. Also situations where it might differ in how we calculate our gross facade. Examples of these being balconies, which might need a different type of waterproofing or fireproofing, or glass railings, which are going to be calculated as something outside of the gross facade. For example, the building we're looking at today has a brick facade. If it is a glass railing that we're going to be looking at, it will need to be calculated as part of a separate aspect of this facade, and therefore we cannot include it in the gross facade calculated here. Another example might be a screen wall in a penthouse, which is very frequent in Boston. And there are all sorts of other aspects of buildings which need to be treated differently from the larger areas of each floor plate and the gross facade. To begin, let's add two features, because we are going to be looking at a balcony and a railing. From here, we'll go to our takeoff. As you can see, my gross area that I've already highlighted excludes this section right here, labeled roof. This area is a balcony, as we can see by how it's framed, and it will need to be treated differently from the gross area of this building. For the sake of time, I have already taken off our features. As you can see, I've acquired the gross area of this roof balcony, as well as the total lineal footage of railing that we are going to assume is glass at this point in time. And from here, I'm going to want to take our gross area of this balcony, 630 square feet, as well as the total lineal footage of our glass railing, 65 lineal feet, and we're going to plug that into our area sheet in the features section. As we mentioned, 630 square feet is our gross area for our balcony. 65 lineal feet is our total length of railing. We're going to assume it's 3 feet, but we'll need to check our elevations to make sure that that's accurate. You'll notice that I didn't include a perimeter for our balcony. This is because I'm going to assume that the facade that we're calculating for our balcony is going to be captured with our railing. As mentioned previously, there are many different use cases for the features function in the area sheet. Far too many for us to discuss comprehensively in one video. For the more complicated and unique use cases, there'll be future videos that you can refer to. Thanks for watching.